La receta es de Oaxaca.
You can see the little bits of the coconut. Oh, look at this vast park. Dorilocos. She has a little table here, so she just pops the hole. See, poco. Cucumber, carrots. I love sangria, but I've never had anything like this. Mmm. Wow. Whenever I see something I'm unfamiliar with, I want to go try it. So I see something in the center of the road here. ¿Qué es esto? Hola, buenos días. ¿Helado?
Nieve de queso. Hay queso, leche quemada, coco y limón.
Okay. Alright, so this is queso, cheese. Pretty good. Okay. I think we're gonna have to get one. It's kind of like an ice cream, but it's more like it's icy, very icy. Queso one, it almost tastes like vanilla. They have some other flavors. Let's see. Now let's try guanabana. Oh wow. That's good. They're like sherbets, just like icy fruit. I think I'm gonna get guanabana. Gracias. ¿Y qué es esto?
Coco y limón. Compromiso.
He's gonna have me try all of them.
Ya que es para el
¿Limón?
Coco.
Coco.
Coco. Ese no asusta, Ese no asusta.
Very good. Limón?
Limón.
Okay. Wow, they're all good. I think the coco or the guanabana. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Yo, Ángel.
¿Dónde eres?
Radico ya aquí, ¿no? Pero los ingredientes, la receta es de Oaxaca. La receta. Pero pues ya el ingrediente se consigue aquí, ¿no?
Okay.
Somos de Oaxaca. Pero esto es somos de varios lados, Chiapas, Tasco, de varios lados.
Okay, good. You heard it. That's where you go. ¿Cuánto cuesta un?
25 y 30, amigo. De chico y grande.
Okay, chico, guanabana.
¿Guanabana? ¿Puro guanabana? Sí. Puede ser combinado, si quieres.
Oh, okay. Coco, guanabana.
Coco y guanábana.
Sí.
Guanábana abajo, guanábana arriba.
No sé. ¿Qué es mejor?
Pero como sea está bien,
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Helado o...?
Nieve. Nieves.
¿Nieves?
Ajá, nieves, sí.
Okay, so this is nieves. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. So yeah, pretty cool spot right here. There's not that much right now, but you know, some people are selling some food, some things, taking pictures. We have some plants over here and a little bookstore. So here it is. I already forgot the name, but it's like a icy fruit ice cream. He had coconut, guanabana, cool bags, lemon, a couple of other flavors like the cheese flavor, which was actually better than I thought it would be. Let's see if I can eat this with one hand. So for, I think it was 20, 25, don't remember. I got two flavors here. So this first one on top is coconut, coco, and it tastes like coconut water. It's not like the fake coconut flavor that you get in like candies. It's just like frozen coconut water, which is awesome. And we'll get to the guanabana on the bottom in a second. And look at this, you can tell that it's real because you can see the little bits of the coconut pieces in there, like the brown part of it. Like they just cut it up fast and left some little pulpy pieces in there. It's awesome. Wow, this is even less processed than I thought. I got to the guanabana part. This is a guanabana seed, a big old black seed. Trying to show it to you here. Look at that. So Yeah, this isn't really processed at all. It's just like they put the fruit in there, maybe some water, some ice, and that's what it is. It's just iced fruit. I don't even know if they put sugar in there as well. It's not too sweet. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness, just like you're having a fruit. Glad I tried this today. So guys, if you want to know how much travel costs daily travel, wherever I am, I'm going to be posting at the end of each video. Hopefully I don't forget, but most videos will have a receipt at the end, which is going to show my accommodation, my food, transportation, entertainment, anything else that happens for that day. So stay tuned for the very end, and that's where I'm going to give you a breakdown of my day and how much it all costs. Too bad, guys, I failed at one thing today. My main thing that I wanted to do today. I wanted to try Dorilocos, which is Doritos. They take Doritos and they mix it up with a bunch of stuff. It looks like candy, but there's also like sweet things. It's kind of like a meal, but it's like a snack. It's crazy. That's why they call it Loco, Dorilocos. So hopefully in the next one I'll be able to find it. It's just gonna be on a street food truck or street food cart, so I don't really know where they are. You don't really go to a restaurant to get them. So if you know where they are, then let me know, or hopefully in the next few videos I'll be able to find one and try it, because it is crazy. What's up, guys? We just entered a park. I believe it's Bosque de Chapultepec, something like that. Don't know if that's the name of the park or not. Google Maps says that's where I am. Oh, look at this vast park. It's a nice break from the rest of the city, from a bunch of people, a bunch of screaming, the bustling markets, which I love, but it's good to take a little break. But it looks like once I go around a little curve here, it's gonna turn into one of those markets again. I can hear it. This here is Altar a la Patria, and I don't know what exactly it is. A piece of art, a monument. It's just kind of an opener to the museum over here, I think. But it is a beautiful place. A nice place to walk over here, walk through the park here. A lot of things going on. Some shows I can't understand. Guys, I can't believe it. I found what I was looking for. Told you I couldn't find it earlier. We found Dorilocos. I just saw the sign way down here. There it is. ¿Quieres Dorilocos? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
30 pesos.
Okay, finally I'm getting Dorilocos, which is Doritos, but a crazy version, a loco version of Doritos. So it's made in the bag, and it'll have like carrots on it, it'll have cucumber, it'll have some kind of candies or something. So I guess you can get it with different kinds of chips, but this is the traditional one, if it could be traditional. She has a little table here, so she just pops the hole, and then all the ingredients are ready there. So it almost looks like there's some onions, some carrots. See, poco. Chamoy. And she puts some lime on it. So much goes into this. Gracias. The craziest street food snack you can get in Mexico. Cucumber, carrots, some kind of little nuts. Looks like a corn nut type of thing. Or it probably is corn, but I'm not sure. There's tahini, there's a chili sauce. There is so much going on in here. Woo! Oh, a lot of spice. Good. Throw the Dorito in there. Usually it's kind of like nachos. Okay. A bunch of jicama there. That jicama tastes so good right now. It really helps against the spiciness of the sauce and the tahini. There's a little bit of like a sweetness in the jicama. And just evens it out. Wow. I feel like I've barely had any, and just the amount of, like, that is heavy. Heavy snack. This is another Dorilocos place, much different. This is a pretty cool setup here, but it looks like they have something to drink. Un sangria. Let's see if this drink can be just as crazy as Dorilocos. I love sangria, but I've never had anything like this. So it's 40, so that's like $2. Gracias. Okay. Gracias. Hasta luego. Gummy worm on a stick. You have the orange slice there. You have chamoy, which is the red goopy stuff there. Let's try it. Wow. That hits the spot. It just tastes like a sangria, but a little bit spicier. Ooh. Okay. Hey, that's good. Not sure if it has alcohol in it. I will have to ask her. I'll have to ask her in a second, but it tastes good. I'm coughing because of the spices. We had Mexico's most loco snack, street snack, and now one of Mexico's most loco drinks. Crazy worms. Wow, so I got really excited when I saw one Dorilocos place because I was looking all over the city, it seemed like. And this place has like 20 at least Dorilocos places, maybe more. So I guess this is the place in the city to get that. You will not miss them. They are all over. Another one. Ah, that looks interesting. And gelatos. Some candy, snacks. Dorilocos once again. Woo, the wind is picking up. They're trying to pull their umbrella back. The wind is taking it. Look at this. I thought I was going into just like a nice little park, really quiet, not many people, and that's what it looked like at the start, and then it turns into this, and I don't see an end in sight. Wow, look at this. I think this is the most popular paddle boating spot I've ever seen anywhere in the world. The amount of paddle boats per capita in the water there, it's like traffic. I understand it though, this place has a great vibe. You can get the water right here, you have the skyline, and then everybody over here, they're all drinking, eating. This is a fun place. Look at this. Wow. Grande. Grande. Squirting monkeys from head. All these kids are wearing monkeys on their heads, and I didn't know why, but that kid was just doing it. You can squirt people out of the mouth of the monkey with a little thing. Guys, I can't eat all day. But there is so much to try here. I just wish my stomach was a little bigger because I get to do like one thing an hour, maybe. But there's just so much to look at. It's been a great day, guys, in Juarez, Mexico City. Thanks for coming with me. Tomorrow I'll be going to another area of the city, so make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already to see that. We're gonna be traveling in Mexico every day, and then awesome stuff, and then beyond. Please like this video, it really helps me out. Leave a comment, any comment, say hello, and I'll try to get back to you. I will see you in the next one.